Hello everyone, this is Jay, and today I'm going to explain to you why I'm disappointed at SCHD. Yes, they announced the dividend, and there's something that disappointed me, which I'm going to explain to you guys in a minute. But I'm also going to add up the first two quarters of SCHD dividends from this year and last year, and I'm going to do a comparison. I'm also going to do the same thing with VYM. I already have it calculated. So stay tuned. And then we're also going to go through my stocks to see which ones am I going to be buying today as a DCA investor on this nice $13,967 dividend portfolio. I did cross the $14,000 earlier this week when the market went up. It had a nice boost, but then it went down again. My stocks kind of went down again. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that, but it's okay. Market goes up and down, right? But right now, $13,967 without my deposit for today, which I'm going to be making soon after this video. And let's go right into the stock analysis tab so we can take a look at SCHD. And yes, this is where I got a little bit disappointed. They announced their dividend, record date June 26th, payday July 1st. Oh man, that was such a bummer. July 1st. Yes, I know it is just one day over the second quarter. So what it means is that I'm gonna be getting paid my SCHD dividend on the third quarter, not on the second quarter. So then now when we go back into my spreadsheet, I keep track. To any of you that are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button to support the video. But I do keep track of my quarterly dividends, which means now that I'm not going to be able to surpass Q1 of 2024 of $105.39 because I'm going to be missing that nice SCHD dividend. This is probably the Q2 of 2024. It's probably going to be even lower than Q1 of 2024, which it means my it's going to go down. This pillar right here is going to go down even more. So that's going to be looking a little bit weird, I guess. You know, you're not going to see that nice going up, looking like some stairs type of chart. So, but it is okay because then in Q3 of 2024, this pillar is just going to be crazy high. It's just going to have, if SCHD makes their Q3 payment on time, this one is going to look crazy. It's going to look very, very high compared to all the other ones. So I'm definitely excited about that. And especially I'm excited also with SCHD because they pay 82 cents, the most ever, 0.8241 cents per share this quarter. So which is gonna be awesome. That's a very, very nice dividend increase. As you can see, the most that they have paid in a quarter per share, it was in December of last year of 2023 of 74 cents. It's 0.7423 cents. That was the most that they have ever paid. And then now in Q2 of 2024 already 82 cents. That's awesome. I love that dividend growth. I'm really happy about that. If SCHD continues to grow this way, in 10 years, I'm going to be receiving some very, very nice dividends, especially I will estimate over $1 already in 10 years per quarter, most likely, or maybe 1 or 2 quarters of the year in 10 years from now. But going back into my portfolio, I wanted to do a quick calculation and I already added it up right here, which we're going to scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, in 2023, VYM in the first 2 quarters, they pay $1.59 and SCHD pay $1.26. Now in 2024, VYM already at $1.68 for the first 2 quarters and SCHD $1.44. Which is awesome already. And then that means that's an increase of 5.35% for VYM, and then 13.79% so far increase from SCHD. That's awesome. Please leave me your opinion in the comment section. Are you buying SCHD? Do you like this dividend increase? I'm definitely loving this dividend increase so far. But this is so far, I'm just comparing the first 2 quarters of each year. I'm not doing the whole year yet. I'm gonna be waiting for the next 2 payments, which are gonna be very nice. And if they pay 82 cents now in the second quarter of this year, usually the fourth quarter of every year, they pay their highest dividend. I can't imagine if it goes up even higher. I'm really considering buying heavier and heavier into both of these ETFs, especially SCHD. But right now also, because of the way they paid, SCHD is paying this year in July 1st, I think I'm going to need to bring up my position in VYM and boost it up a little bit more. Just so I could get like a little bit of a bigger dividend there from this position in VYM. But I'm really, really happy with SCHD right now in the aspect of where they are increasing their dividend very, very nicely. And I can't wait for the next 2 quarters. I'm really aiming at the 50 shares by the end of this year. I'm right now 43.685 shares. And I'm really aiming at hitting that 50 shares for this year. So I'm really happy about that. VYM, I'm almost at 12 shares. The dividend got reinvested already. They already paid their dividend, which it was great. And then another 2 stocks that I'm going to be buying today as a DCA investor. I'm going to continue week over week because I just think and I just feel like they are at a good valuation right now or at a good price per share, which is Johnson & Johnson is back down to $145 per share. And Starbucks, which is this one right here, and it is at $79.24. It has been staying around that price, around $79, $80. I kind of wish it could go down a little bit again to like the $72, $73 share price, but I'm okay right there too because my stop buying price is going to be around $88. So I'm going to continue buying Starbucks. I got 7.3 shares as of right now, and I'm down 6% in the position, which means I'm going to continue to bring my cost per share down. I already brought it down to $84.46. So I'm really working on that one. I am excited about that and happy because I've been bringing down my costs, which is awesome. And then Johnson & Johnson, I'm already at the cost per share of $157.70. My cost per share a couple months ago was like around 160, a little bit over $160. So I'm bringing down my cost on Johnson & Johnson, which means I get a higher yield on cost, which is gonna be awesome, especially for the future. I'm planning on holding these two positions for a very long time. Hopefully if the business continue, and then that will mean that maybe 10, 15 years from now, the yield on cost is going to be much higher than these two yield on cost right here, which right now for Johnson & Johnson, I have a yield on cost of 3.15%, and then Starbucks 2.70%. So hopefully those two will go up also. And then a position that I really want to build is going to be Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE. 16.8 shares. I bought some more last week. I did make my purchases last week. I did not make a video update last week because as I've explained to you guys, I had my mom over. She came over from my hometown with my sister and my nephew and niece. So I had to take them to a lot of places here in the US, in the East Coast. And they definitely had a good time. I definitely had a good time. I was very, very happy. It was a nice week vacation, and I could not make some content for you guys, so I apologize about that. But this week, I am going to be giving you a double update on what I bought in the past 2 weeks, which is going to be last Friday plus this Friday, which is today. So I'm going to be giving you, it's going to probably be a little bit longer of a video, but I am going to be giving an update on both of those. Visa is another one that I've been buying Right now, I am at 1.4 shares, so I'm almost at 1.5 shares. I wanna bring this to like at least 4 shares of Visa. And then Apple has been going up very nicely. I'm up 50% right there. Now I'm looking at it, I'm like, why didn't I just buy more and more when it was around $170, right? But of course, we always think that it is at an expensive price, not thinking of the future sometimes. So, but Apple is performing very, very nicely for me right now at a 50% upside. And then another one that I wanted to buy some more of is gonna be Vici. This is one in the real estate sector that I want to continue buying. Same with All Realty Income, which is this one right here. I have a lot of money or a lot of capital invested in Realty Income from this portfolio. Right now it has a market value of $1,400, but I have $1,600 invested into All Realty Income. I like those monthly dividends from Realty Income. Performance is negative 8.84. And then Vici, I'm down 4%. I have 14.6 shares, so I want to continue buying Vici properties right here and continue to build those positions. So please don't forget to hit the like button to support the channel and to support the video. Don't forget to subscribe. The channel is growing very, very nicely. 810 subscribers so far. I'm really excited about that. I can't wait to get to 900 subscribers. We're almost there, 900, and that's gonna be the next goal, next milestone. So I'm happy about that. And then don't forget to leave me your opinion in the comment section. I have not talked to you guys in 2 weeks, so I can't wait to reply back to your comments. So please don't forget to leave your opinion in the comment section. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one Sunday. Don't forget. Thank you. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.